Hello everybody and welcome to Emma Jacobs. Today we're going to be doing slime pet peeves, and first, slime we have.
No, it's wrong. That's wrong. It's not welcome to Emma Jacobs. It's welcome back for another video.
For slime time! Okay, so the slimes we have here, you can guess in the comments why they are bad. So,
Slime pet peeves.
first we have this really...
Yeah, very.
Yeah, okay. Then we have this. This is a hard one. What do you think this guy? This one. Then we have this. You can probably guess what this
Yeah,
one.
just
And
listen
this
to a poke. It's amazing poking. Listen.
And then this one.
Ow, that hurt.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so let's get to the first
Okay.
pet peeve.
All right, this is.
Okay. That one is a slime pet peeve that sticks. Now, when they poke, it won't pet.
Yeah.
That's too.
Oh. This one is when I don't poke whatsoever. Oh, this is where I get hurt. I better do this one. Ow, that actually really does hurt. Guys, don't put these little thingies in your slime. These like little cobweb thingies. It's terrible. Don't, please. Yeah, so now
Okay, now I'm gonna do.
Are we
one.
mixing them all together?
No. When they don't fold it over and they just poke. Just poke it. They don't fold it over. They just go like.
Yeah, correction. Keep poking, girl. Well,
It'll be better. She has to be stretching it. Which guys do you think is your favorite? It's hard. It's pretty hard. I think this one's my favorite.
I really like this one because it's like really good, and I also really love this one, even though it's good.
Guys, since she hasn't uploaded a video in a long time, we just want to make a really bad video.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, this is bad. You don't have the editing app that I use.
No.
Don't check me out, guys.
Check her out.
Okay, guys.
Peace. Hang it up. Whenever I say peace, you gotta hang it up.